So I'm gonna go check out the Syracuse or Salt City Comic Con. Sorry, it's not Syracuse, but it's here in Syracuse at Great Northern Mall. We'll get inside and see what they got.
The ones that like have the best conversations but argue with each other the most.
Just got out of the Salt City Comic Con and I bought myself 2 art prints, you know, of Frank Frazetta. I love him. I'll show you guys later. But please come down here and support them so it's a better convention next year. Now on to the food trucks. So that was this year's Salt City Comic Con, and a little bonus of the Syracuse food trucks. I had a hero, some curly fries, and a iced lemonade. Everything there was excellent. I recommend the Syracuse Food Truck Association whenever you can get to them. And thank you very much, and see you again next time in the archive.